Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is with the lights off, but there's a one. This is with the lights on. I'm just gonna keep the lights off. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cold. I don't want to get my stuff dirty. Oh my gosh, this is like, it's hard a little bit. I have a couple of videos, just like 5 or 6, I'm not sure. Okay. Oh my gosh, today is, Saturday, February, 19th or 20th, or I don't even know. I don't have my phone with me, but I don't. As you can see this, it stretches super far. Watch. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was just that. We're fine, guys. It was just that. You guys, I'm a little scared. If you guys heard that, I don't know what that was. I think just fell. Hold on, guys. Let me just put my stuff away and then I'll be back. Hi, boy, Mom. So you guys know, I post videos, but I don't post scary ones. Because I don't know who watches my videos. So if you guys watch my videos, thank you. But that was super scary. Because I don't know what to do now. Because if you guys heard that in the video, you guys heard something fall. And I heard it too. I thought it was just something there. Like something from inside the shower fell. I'm kind of freaked out right now because I don't know what to do. I'm going to wake up. So if you guys heard that in the video, I don't know how to instant replay, but bye. I'll check it over.